welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick guys, I am headed over to a friend's house. It's the weekend, and on some days I am still in mechanic mode. Go figure. But yes, the PT Cruiser, my PT Cruiser friend. Okay, yes, her birthday is next week, and her car will not pass emission, guys. Like I said before, as it relates to emission, it's all about carb readiness, guys. Ooh, ready, guys. Here we are right here. Normally I just swap cars with her, so I'm gonna take the PT and put my van in that place, and we're gonna get this thing going, guys. Let's freaking get it. Alrighty, guys, let's take a look at this. Wow, this is how they do it now. Let me see something. Fuel cap pass. Fuel cap 2 not tested. No need to test that. Catalytic converter presence. Wow, they check for the presence of the cat. Makes sense. There you go right there, guys. That's why I failed. Readiness failed too. So we're gonna look at the readiness and see if that's the case. All right. Now let me go back to the car before I guess I could be warming this up. Let me go grab my scan too, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, here we are. I think the last time I had this car, she had a bad drivability problem and ended up being a cam sensor. Watch this video right here where I went through the diagnostic on that video. But right now we're more interested in, let's go in the engine. It's trying to find the controller type. Please find it. I don't need no problems today. And let's see, let's go here. 05 PT Cruiser with a 2.4, whoa, turbo, 2.4 turbo. Enter. Now where I want to go is, yes, a 4-speed automatic. Press enter to continue. I want to go down to OBD monitors. Click enter. I want to see, what are my options? Car readiness. Hit enter once. Where are we? Oh, guys, look at that. You got to have 75%. So if you got 4 monitors, at least 3 has to show yes. Oh, wow. How hard will it be to get this, guys? And you got to be careful, guys, because CAT could cause O2s not to run. That's what I mean by being able to trick your computer. So what I'm finna do, because I think the O2s will be a lot easier than the CATs, what I'm gonna do is try to get the O2 monitors to run. All right, hear me out, guys. What I'm saying, you got to have at least 75%. I have 50%. Okay, I have a total of 4, so it's like a pie, split 4 ways. I need to get 1 more to say yes. So I'm about to go into O2 sensor mode, monitor mode, and see if I can drive in those parameters to get this O2 sensor to run. All right, let's do this. Let's come out of here. Let's go on the pretest, O2 sensor pretest. All right, so the enabler, y'all see upstream pretest. My range temperature, I don't know if y'all can see that. My temperature range is not there yet. I need to be at least 127. CAT temperature need to be at least 900. So I'm gonna let this car warm up some more, guys. And then enabling conditions will be met, and then I can drive it in these parameters, and those monitors should run, and I should get my O2 sensor monitors. All right, stay tuned. Let me let it warm up. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I just got through with my test drive, and I got my, y'all know this thing will be beeping if it's in the parameter. Beep, beep, beep. And the ideal is to stay in that parameter. So I had to drive at a constant 35 miles per hour under a certain load at a certain temperature. All right, I can't film while I do that. So now when you get that beep, 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 that means that cycle is complete. Now you can go check and see if you passed or failed. Hopefully you're passed, okay? Hopefully it passed. If there's no problem, you should have passed. So now I can come out of this screen, and we're gonna go into car readiness and see are we carb ready to go get emissions? Let me click enter. Boom! Look at that, guys. Yes. Can y'all see the sun is blaring? Look at that, guys. They all say yes. Hold on. I want y'all to see this. All right, guys. Y'all see that? So in the middle of doing O2 sensor, the cat ran on its own. They go hand in hand, guys. They both on the exhaust system. So the cat converter and the O2 sensor monitors ran at the same time. So I killed two birds in one stone. Now, thank goodness there was no problem with it. But if hypothetically, if you had a problem with the cat, sometimes you can trick your car's computer into running the O2 monitors, or vice versa. It depends on your setup and how you drive it, guys. I can't explain it. I have to do it while I explain it. But at any rate, I do not have to do any of that on this vehicle because I am full-blown yes. I am 100%. You only require 75%. I am 100. So what do we do now? We go she entitled to a free emission. I'm about to go to the same emission station and get her free emission test ran. All right. I got a little time left, guys. Y'all come along with me, man. We done with the scan tool. I am 100% yes. I am happy. She's going to be happy. Let's go and get this test done. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys. If I'm not mistaken, yes, they open. I think this is the one she entitled to her free emissions. We are about to find out. They open and it's a straight shot. Let me find out, guys. I don't have to ask him. He's got him in, so we'll see. Hey, is this you, man? She said she's entitled to a free inspection.
Yep.
Oh, okay, good.
It's gonna take about 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna have to step out for just a
second. I don't know why. I think, here's what I think. She disconnected the battery for something. Guys, that is the wrong thing to do. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use that thumbnail. Do not disconnect your battery to turn off check engine lights or to reset anything if you plan on getting an emission, because your car will literally have to relearn everything, rerun all your monitors, and if it ain't ready, it just ain't ready. All right, so that's probably what happened here. She disconnected the battery and drove it for a while. Only 2 monitors ran. Remember, when I got it, it was a 2 out of 4 said yes. So after I do my thing, now 4 out of 4 says yes. So I would like to call that a successful drive cycle. I think we call it drive cycle. All right, and like I said, she got lucky. This inspection station. Hey, look at that, free diagnostic. Dad's emission. I'm gonna ask him about that. What do you mean free diagnostics? Guys, you can do diagnostics, but it's so many different cars, so many different makes and model of cars, so many things come into play when you're trying to do all cars. I mean, scan tools gotta be, it's a mess, man. So I don't know how they pulling that off as far as free diagnostics. I'm gonna see if he can explain that. Hey, what do you mean by free diagnostics?
Second.
What do you mean by free diagnostics?
It'll check the computer, like if you have a check engine light on, it'll tell you why it's on, stuff like that.
Things like that. Oh, okay. You're not gonna diagnose the car.
Second.
You're not gonna diagnose the car to tell why it failed?
Your ignition control system, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Same thing that's on the test.
Oh, right. Okay, but you're not gonna say what's wrong or what will fix it. That's like diagnostic troubleshooting there.
I can diagnose why your check engine light's on.
Okay.
Give you the code.
That's it. Thanks, man. All right. Alrighty, guys. Let me get out of here. Yeah, I don't like the way he got to find a better way to explain that. That did not sit right with me. But at any rate, I'm done. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next. What my pass said. Yeah, it's pass. She's good to go on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.